No freaking way. Can't be. I think it is. Five days ago, I put in an order from China. And if it's here already, I'm surprised. Rip it open! Holy shit. Let's build a quad. In the kit, we had the goggles, HD Nano kit, HD kit, Mini 1S kit also. Some battery straps, and the quality actually reminds me of the Oh My God battery straps, which is pretty good. Thanks, Cadex. First, we're gonna start by checking out the goggles, see how they look. And Walksnail, slow is faster. We got some antennas. We got some more antennas. We got a cloth. Nice. And the goggles. Quite nice design actually. It's so small compared to the DJI ones. And a startup guide. Do we need that? Nope. Power cord, the basic power cord. It's long enough. It's very long. How long is it? Do we have something to measure it with? Me. Let's say it's 2 meters. Okay, back to the goggles. Sleek design, small, and compared to the DJI ones, they're like night and day. Wow. Let's put them on, see how they feel. They're pointy. Actually pretty good fit. I can see some light leaks down by my nose, but that's about it. But do they feel? Oh yeah. These are gonna put on some pretty nice marks around your face. People are gonna see when you've been using these. All right, let's take it off. Let's see. Oh, not too bad, but I could feel it. I just put the antennas on. Is this normal? I don't feel like this is normal. Tell me if this is normal. Antennas on, batteries charging, so let's put this aside and bring out the VTX. This is the best feeling ever. Ooh. Those antennas, transfer cord, and the VTX and camera. Not as big as I thought. Let's see here compared to a Vista. That's not too bad. I can live with that. The only thing that bugged me a little bit was the cable. Cable from the VTX to the flight controller. It has a plug in one end, only one. It would be nice to have the plug in both actually, because most FCs now come with a plug in for the UARTs. Well, that would be nice. Other than that, I'm good. That's not too bad. I think the battery has some power to it. Let's see. First impression here. This connector, that was really nice. It's not easy to rip it off here. And the on-off button, I don't like it. No. It doesn't stay in or it doesn't stay out. It doesn't say if it's on or not. 4S LiPo, no 6S on this one. Let's see what it says on the blah blah blah, side view, input, whatever. Does not say what kind of voltage you're supposed to put on. Caution, caution. 6S, I've heard, is a plausible no-go. So let's take 4S instead. I feel like I'm fogging up already. I'm fogging up. Real bad. Alright, let's try this again. As soon as I put my face in it, it just fogs up. Is it my face? Probably my face. I'm gonna charge some batteries and then we're gonna build a quad.